Hello boys and girls, welcome to Jabulani's Playhouse. I'm Jabu and I'm Lani, and we're building LEGO's Creator Treehouse. That's right, we've started building the treehouse, and we're going to build the other two houses that you can, because this is a 3-in-1 LEGO set, which means you can build 3 different houses, right? That's right, Jabu, amongst all sorts of other things that you want to build with your own imagination, right? That's definitely right. So shall we carry on? We're almost finished, I think. We might be able to finish up in this video perhaps, or the next one for sure. Yay, come on mommies and daddies, let's take a look. So last time we were just building the little guy's house part of the cabin. You can see here on the treehouse. And this is where we are so far with the treehouse base, and I think his little hut part is going to go on top here somewhere, right? I think you're right, Jabu. So let's take a look, see where we are with the instructions. So that's where we were last time, boys and girls. We carry on to 37. Then on to, this is part of 37 as well. So his little hut goes on here. Make sure it clips in everywhere it needs to be. Looking good, isn't it, Lani? Sure, Jabu, I love it. Okay, put that off to the side for a bit. Start building more things, hey? It's Jabulani's Playhouse, hip hip hooray! It's Jabulani's Playhouse, won't you come in and stay? It's Jabulani's Playhouse for all the girls and boys. It's Jabulani's Playhouse with all the world's joys. Okay, this looks like it's going to be part of a tree of some sort. There we are so far, eh? Good job, mommies and daddies. Yes, indeed. take a closer look here. Hey? So far, that's what we've built. It's like a little branch of tree or something, isn't it, Lani? It is. It looks like a little tree branch, or maybe covered with moss or something. Hey? That's right. Okay, so this tree part I have to add over here. Goes on top of this. Make sure it's all attached well. Looks good, doesn't it, hey? Sure does, Jabu. Wow. Fun. Okay, put that off to the side there. Fun to build Lego, isn't it, Jabu? It's very fun. It's a very meditative activity. It helps build your brain and to activate the brain and to let the brain do things. It's a very fun activity to do by yourself or with the mommies and daddies. It helps you to increase your brain and get smarter, and also help build things, and you see what you're building and you become more confident by doing things that you're able to do, right? Because you find that you can build things that you didn't think you could do, and you find that you can, and that helps you to feel more confident in all sorts of areas, right? That's right, Jabu. This will be. I think this maybe is the roof, Jabu. You could be right, Lani. You could be right. I think it could be the roof, hey? Let's see. Sure does kind of look like the roof, hey? Or perhaps like an attic of the treehouse. Yeah, attic, I like that. A little hidey place. Yeah, you were right, it is the roof, hey? Fun. On top here, like so. good, hey? Sure does, Jabu. And the platform goes across here like so. There we are so far. Aha. Now we're building some sort of a winch, eh? That's right, Jabu. Okay. This is probably where our string is. Aha, there it is. Okay. This is, we need to thread it through the hole. And then through here. Try to pull some of it out. There we go. Turn this to wind up the string. Just tighten a little bit as we wind it. I see, Jabu. Yeah, otherwise it won't be too strong in there. A bit loose. Just to make it a little bit more fun. Good job. Okay. Attach the hook to it. This is where the boys and girls might need a bit of help from the mommies and the daddies, right? That's right, Jabu. There we go. Put up a secure railing so that the little boys and girls, the little Lego boys and girls don't fall off, right? Hehe, that's right, Jabu. so far, isn't it, hey? Sure is. Piece to secure the railing. I wonder what this piece will be, Jabu. I'm not sure. That's a good question. Bucket of some sort, hey? There's his little telescope so he can see what's going on in the forest, hey? Yay, that's very clever, Jabu. Almost finished, Lani. Well, Jab, that didn't take too long at all, did it? No, it sure didn't. It was fun, wasn't it? Eh? Yes, it was lots of fun. This is the little puppy. Let's take a closer look. It's very cute, isn't it, hey? Very clever how LEGO makes the little puppies in that, hey? Oh yes, Jabu, for sure. that looks like it, boys and girls. Oh, just a few more things here. And then we're done here. Put on the flag. We can put on our guy and put him up in the top roof. Bring his little trolley with pizza in it. He's ready for long haul, isn't he? Sure is, Jabu. There's his flag. There's his trolley with pizza. And here he is looking out over his whole house, hey? Wow. Doesn't that look good, boys and girls? Sure looks really good, Jabu. You did a great job. Let's take a look at it. Turn it around a little bit, hey? Oh, trolley came off, eh? It sure did, Jabu. That's okay. Remember our little map under there? Okay. His little treasure map, hey? Put it back for safekeeping. Yay, Jabu! We did it! We sure did, with the help of the mommies and daddies. Did you like the treehouse, boys and girls? I sure did. I thought it was a lot of fun. I wish I could live in a treehouse like that. I know, me too. That was super fun. And that was the advanced build of the 3 builds that you can do in this LEGO Creator of treehouse and other houses. So how about next time? Join us tomorrow, boys and girls, and we'll start building the medium build, hey? Yay, Jabu, sounds like a lot of fun. I can't wait to see what all of them look like, right? That's right. So hurry on back, boys and girls. See you soon. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.